In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to change layouts in TradingView in 2025. If you use different chart setups for various symbols, time frames, or strategies, layouts can save you a ton of time. Think of a layout as a snapshot of your chart setup, your indicators, drawings, and chart style, so you can switch contexts without rebuilding anything. Let's start by opening the Layouts menu. On the top toolbar, click Layouts. This opens a drop-down that lists your saved layouts, along with options to manage them. It's a simple panel, but it's where you'll do all your switching and organizing. To switch layouts, simply click the layout name from the drop-down. As soon as you select one, your chart updates to match that layout's saved configuration. This is great when you want to move from, say, a clean price action view to a layout packed with indicators for deeper analysis. If you've made changes you want to keep before switching, make sure to save them first so you don't lose your current setup. To save your current chart layout, click Save Layout As, then enter a name. Use something descriptive and consistent. Adding the asset type, time frame, or strategy can make it easier to find later. For example, you might include daily, scalping, or swing. Save Layout. As creates a new layout, so it won't overwrite any existing ones. This is especially helpful if you're experimenting and want to preserve a clean baseline layout while creating variations. To rename or delete a layout, hover over the layout in the drop-down and use the pencil icon to rename or the trash icon to delete. Renaming is perfect for keeping your library organized as your workflow evolves. If you choose to delete, remember that this removes the saved layout from your list, so only do it if you're sure you don't need it anymore. A quick review of the name before you click delete can prevent accidental cleanup of something important. That's all you need to manage layouts efficiently in TradingView. Click Layouts to open the panel, pick a layout to switch, use Save Layout. As to create new versions, and keep everything tidy with the rename and delete icons. With a clear naming system and a few well-prepared layouts, you'll move faster, keep your charts consistent, and focus more on analysis instead of setup. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.